guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is PREET. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be teaching you guys that how to get this super quick easy 5-minute smoky look, which is perfect for the festival season. Just in case you guys are running out of time, you can definitely try out this look because this particular look does not take more than 10 minutes to create, and the highlight of this look is this particular smoky eye look, which only takes 5 minutes to create. So I will be sharing all the tips and tricks with you guys in this particular video. So yeah, let's just get started and let me show you guys how I created this look. Just in case you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon so that you guys don't miss my new post. So let's begin the video. So before starting the makeup, I always make sure that I clean my face. Cleaning your face is a very important step because if you clean your face, all the dirt particles will be removed, and that's the first step to have a perfect smooth face. So always make sure that you are cleaning your face before starting your makeup. So today I'm going to be using Famous Dynamic facial pads. It's actually a resurfacing facial pads. It will help in removing all the dirt particles from my face, and it will help in cleansing my face. This comes in this particular box and it has all those cotton pads dipped in a solution. Now whatever the solution is, now it's going to help in removing all the dirt particles from my face. Skincare today, I'm going to be starting with my favorite green tea seed serum, which is super good for all skin types, but this particular serum works perfect for super oily skin type, and my skin type is super oily. So this Innisfree Intense Hydrating Serum with green tea seeds works super amazing on my skin. So I'm just gonna take 2-3 pumps, and then I am very gently going to apply it on my face, and I basically go by patting it on my skin so that the serum can be absorbed in my skin. Don't forget your neck area. I see people tend to forget their neck area, so make sure you are not forgetting your neck area and applying the good amount of moisturizer, serum, or anything you're using in the skincare range. Just apply it evenly on your neck area. I am not going on with a foundation, so instead of foundation I will be using a substitute. I'm going to be using this Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream from Pure Lace. So I'm just going to take a very little bit on my face and just going to apply it. You can also rub it or massage it on your skin, but I am going to use a beauty blender. Just take a very little product and then using your favorite beauty blender, just blend it out. This one looks super natural, but it also gives you that kind of natural glow, and you don't feel like that you have applied something on your skin. Even you are out in the sun and you've applied this particular BB cream, you will not feel like as if you have applied something on your skin. It looks super natural. Once that is done, I'm going to be taking a super light concealer, and I am using Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my under eyes, little bit on the other side, little bit on my forehead, nose, near my lip area. Using the same beauty blender, I will be blending it out. Alright, now once that is done, I am going to be using a loose powder today. If you want, you can use a compact powder, but I'm going to be using a little bit of loose powder. But today I'm going to be using a NYX setting powder, taking a very little quantity, if you guys can see it, then just tapping it under my eyes, and I will be looking upwards so that all those fine lines can be, like, the powder can cover up all those fine lines and it can be blended out nicely. Doing the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to be starting with my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using NYX eyebrow pencil. I always start with outlining my eyebrows first and then filling them at last. Alright, so eyebrows are done. Let's start with our eye makeup. So I always do this. My eyelids are super greasy from this area, so I always use a eye primer before even doing a basic eye makeup, क्योंकि अगर मैं वो चीज़ नहीं करूँगी तो my whatever the eye makeup I am doing, it will just mess up, guys. It will literally mess up. So just priming my eyes from here to here is very important for me. Eyeshadow primer from Wet n Wild, taking a very little quantity and applying it, mainly focusing on the front ends because that is where I tend to get lots and lots of oil. And then with my fingers I'm going to blend it out. The same thing on the other side of my eye. Alright, now that's done. I'm going to give it like 2-3 minutes so that it can settle down in my skin, and then I'm going to start with my eye makeup. Today I'm going to be doing a very basic 5-minute smoky eye. So to be first of all using NYX pencil in the shade black. I will be starting by drawing a very rough eyeliner on near my eyelash line. Just draw a very rough eyeliner, but make sure the quantity should not be too much. And then I will be using a small pencil brush, so very gently I will be blending it out. Just go very gentle and blend it out. So I'm not creating any wing, so I will be stopping this blending at the edge of my eye, and then I'm taking it upwards. I'm going to be taking a black eyeshadow, so you can use any black eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using a Violet Rose Essential eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this black eyeshadow from this palette, and then I'm going to be applying it on the areas where I have just applied or blended out the black kajal. Just apply it a little bit. Now by doing this we are actually giving a depth to that black color and blending out the edges nicely so that it looks neat and clean. So that's the reason we are doing this, and go into circular motions on both the sides. I'm going to be taking this color Wink Wink from the Colourpop palette, if you guys can see it, and then I'm going to be applying it as a transition color just above the black eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be filling in that black eye kajal on my waterline and just applying very little bit. And then using this same pencil brush which I used, I'm going to blend it out. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take the Wink Wink color again from the Colourpop palette and just applying it on the black color just to give that transition effect. The next thing what I'm going to be doing is curling both of my eyelashes. I am using a Real Techniques eyelash curler. Be very gentle. Just go into 3 strokes, 1, 2, 3. Doing the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. And the mascara today I am using is a Leggett mascara from Huda Beauty. I'm going with the first, the one side first, which says curl and length, and applying the mascara very gently, and then doing the same thing on the other side. Just be very gentle. Now I'm going in with the other side of the mascara, which says for volume. It provides volume to your eyelashes. So I'm applying like few strokes of mascara. Let's start with our contour. So I'm going to be using a Beauty Contour and Bronzer Cream in the shade Light. It's going to be taking a little bit, applying it here on the high points of my cheeks on both the sides. Just taking a very little quantity. I'll start blending it out upwards, like as if I'm lifting my face upwards. I'm going to take a little small nose contour brush, and I'm going to apply a little bit on my nose just to contour my nose. I always start with drawing a line, an outline on my nose, and then I start blending it out. But now for the fun part, I'm going to be using a highlighter which is from Wet n Wild. A little bit, dusting out the extra, applying it on the high points of my cheeks, both the sides, and see how beautiful this highlighter looks. A little bit on my nose tip. And then for the last touch-up, I'm going to be using a setting spray, applying it on my face so that it sets my makeup. Alright guys, so that's my final look. I've just added a little bindi, I've just added some oxidized jewelry, just a little ring, and that's it. So that's my super quick look. I think this one looks super easy and definitely looks super good. I love carrying out this look if I have to go somewhere out and I'm running late. So yeah, that's it. That's about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and just in case you guys did, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna catch you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.